Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to take a moment and discuss the difference between all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. So I'm standing here in front of a beautiful 2021 Jeep Mojave Gladiator we just took in. Now this is going to have four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive, the front wheels and the rear wheels will both spin at the same speed, and it will net you some traction benefits if you're in true off-roading scenarios or in very inclement weather conditions. Whereas all-wheel drive, which you'll see available in a lot of our sedans and SUVs, if you're turning, the outside wheels have to go faster than the inside wheels because they cover more ground. All-wheel drive accounts for that, whereas four-wheel drive does not. So with our new and used vehicles with the all-wheel drive system, they're going to be much more suited to everyday situations, and then a little bit better when it's snowy outside. But if you're looking for something that you can aggressively off-road and get into some more fun situations with, then something like this might be a better bet for you. So if you have any questions about these systems, just shoot us a call or stop by today.